Hello everyone, this is Derek and I'm sitting here with my Motorola G4 smartphone Android device. Unfortunately, I'm unable to turn the device on. The only way to get any type of action out of this phone is to connect the phone to my computer via USB or connect it to a power source such as your wall charger and hold the power down button as you connect the USB charger to the wall. That will, however, get you to another screen. That screen is going to allow you to be able to boot the phone in certain modes, but without a possible working power button, that is not going to help you at all. So in order to fix that issue, the only way is to get a brand new motherboard installed onto the device. I'll have more information as I continue on my search to a brand new power button on my Moto G4 smartphone. Thank you guys. Have a great day. This is Derek Johnson on YouTube. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.